Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English Worid. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, friends.
Today, we are going to learn something very useful. We will learn how to order food in English.
Yes, we will go to a cafe, we will order food and drinks. It's very easy.
We will speak slowly. We will repeat many times. Are you ready?
If you are ready, please give us a thumbs up. Shows thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
Yes. Click that subscribe button. Okay, let's start.
Arriving at the cafe, pretends to open door. Okay, Emily, we are at the cafe now.
Oh, great. I'm hungry. I want to eat something.
Me too, I want a sandwich.
Looking around. Look, there are many tables. Let's sit here.
Good idea. Let's sit down.
Sits down. Okay, now we need to order food.
Yes. First, we need to look at the menu.
The menu shows all the food. It shows all the drinks, too.
Holds imaginary menu. Here is the menu. Let me see.
What do you see, Paul?
I see sandwiches, salads, soup, and pizza.
Yummy. I see coffee, tea, juice, and water.
Great. Now let's call the waiter.
Teaching moment. Looks at camera. Okay, friends, let's learn some important words.
Yes, listen carefully. Repeat after us.
Menu. Pause. Menu. Say it with us.
The menu shows the food and drinks.
Waiter. Pause. Waiter. Repeat.
The waiter helps us order food.
Order. Pause. Order. Say it.
To order means to ask for food.
Very good. Now let's practice a sentence.
I want to order food.
Slower. I want to order food. Repeat after me.
Good job, everyone.
Talking to the waiter. Excuse me.
Acts as waiter now. Hello. Welcome to our cafe. How can I help you?
Hi, we want to order, please.
Of course. What would you like?
I would like a sandwich, please.
What kind of sandwich?
Do you have chicken sandwich?
Yes, we do. We have chicken sandwich.
Perfect. I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Great. And what would you like to drink?
I would like orange juice, please.
One chicken sandwich and one orange juice. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Okay. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Okay, friends. Did you hear that conversation?
Yes. Now let's learn the important phrases.
First phrase, I would like.
This is very polite. We use it when we order food.
I would like a sandwich. Pause. Repeat.
I would like coffee. Pause. Say it with us.
You can also say, can I have
a sandwich? Pause. Repeat.
Can I have coffee? Pause. Say it.
Both are good. Both are polite.
Now practice question. What would you like to eat?
Think about it. Write your answer in the comments.
Do you want a sandwich, pizza, salad?
Tell us. We want to know. Paul's turn to order. Now acts as waiter. Hello. What would you like to order?
Hi. Can I have a cheese pizza, please?
Yes, we have cheese pizza. What size?
What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
I would like a medium pizza, please.
Okay, one medium cheese pizza. And to drink?
Do you have lemonade?
Yes, we do.
Great. I would like lemonade, please.
One lemonade. Is that everything? You're welcome. I'll bring your order soon. Asking questions about food. Acts as customer. Excuse me.
Acts as waiter. Yes? How can I help you?
I have a question. Is the soup hot or cold?
The soup is hot. It's very delicious.
Okay, good. Is the salad fresh?
Yes, the salad is very fresh. We make it every day.
Wonderful. And one more question.
Yes?
Does the sandwich have tomatoes?
Yes, it does. It has tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese.
Perfect. I would like the sandwich, please. Great choice.
Friends, it's okay to ask questions.
Yes. You can ask about the food. It's normal.
Here are some good questions.
Is this hot or cold? Repeat.
Is this spicy? Say it.
Does this have meat? Repeat after me.
Is this vegetarian? Say it with us.
These questions are very useful.
Now you practice. What question would you ask?
Write it in the comments. We want to see. The food arrives.
Acts as waiter carrying imaginary tray. Here is your food.
Oh, thank you. It looks delicious.
This is your chicken sandwich. And this is your orange juice.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Picks up sandwich. This sandwich is so good.
Sits down with his pizza. And this pizza is amazing.
I'm very happy. The food is great.
Me too. I love this cafe.
Teaching moment. When the food comes, we say thank you.
Yes, always be polite.
The waiter says, "Enjoy your meal."
We say thank you,
We can also say, "This looks delicious."
or we say thank you so much.
Very good. Being polite is important. Paying the bill. That was delicious. I'm full now.
Me too. Now we need to pay.
Yes, let's ask for the bill.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
Thank you. How much is it? The total is $25. Okay, can I pay with card?
Yes, you can pay with card, or you can pay with cash.
I will pay with card.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Teaching moment.
Okay, important words for paying.
Listen and repeat.
Bill, say it.
The bill shows how much you pay.
Pay, repeat.
To pay means to give money.
Card. Say it with us.
Credit card or debit card.
Cash. Repeat after me.
Cash means paper money and coins.
Now, important phrase. Can I have the bill, please? Say it.
How much is it?
Can I pay with card? Say it with us.
Excellent. You're learning so fast. Full practice conversation. Okay, friends? Now let's practice everything together.
We will do the full conversation. Listen carefully.
You can repeat after us, or you can say it with us.
Ready? Let's go.
Customer. Excuse me, I would like to order, please.
Waiter. Of course. What would you like?
I would like a chicken sandwich and orange juice, please.
Great. What size juice? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Review time. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, we learned many useful words and phrases.
We learned menu, waiter, order, size, bill, pay.
We learned to say, I would like.
Can I have?
What size?
Can I have the bill, please?
These phrases are very useful in a cafe or restaurant.
You can use them every day.
Practice these phrases at home.
Say them out loud. It helps you remember.
Practice questions for viewers. Now, we have some questions for you.
Answer in the comments. We will read them.
Question 1. What is your favorite food to order at a cafe?
Sandwich, pizza, salad, soup. Tell us.
Question 2. Do you usually pay with cash or card? Question 3. What drink do you like? Coffee, tea, juice? Great job today, everyone. You learned so much.
Yes. Now you can order food in English.
You can go to a cafe, you can order, you can pay. No problem.
We are so proud of you.
Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Shows thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. We make videos every week.
Click the bell icon. You will get notifications for new videos.
Share this video with your friends. They can learn too.
Thank you so much for watching.
We will see you in the next video.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.